Oh, shiitake mushrooms. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Shiitake Mushrooms.
Kids React!
Yes, I was going to say that. Not really, I was going to say gaming again. So today we're going to do a fun video of, do you guys remember the time?
We spray painted the garage?
Yeah, you guys spray painted my garage door.
On a skit.
Yeah. You
But
remember that, Leland?
I
It's
had
like
a
a year
hard,
ago.
I couldn't really do it because I didn't really know how to hold it down.
Alright, well let's just jump right into it because it's kind of a long video. So in 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Camera side action.
Oh! 95,000 subs. As I'm trying to spray paint that. This was a fun skit. Oh my gosh, look at that.
I forgot poop.
Oh man. That's season 2 of Kid Temp Attention.
Season 2 of Fortnite Battle Royale.
We had to go to Home Depot. That's our old van.
Today we're going to pick out some spray paint because we're working on a project.
Look how long my hair.
I was working on an art project.
So we actually needed to get a new garage door for Will's because
So we
it was
bought-
having problems.
So we
So we had to
bought the
replace
house
it.
of fun. So
Yeah, so we thought we had some fun.
No,
Yeah.
They're not babies anymore. That'd be London.
You guys always want to drive.
No, it's not for you.
You guys always want to sit in the shopping cart, don't you?
Yeah.
You're too old for that. You're like what? 9?
Take it down from there.
10.
Yeah. Almost. You're not 10. Well, I about the paint.
Well, I'm 7.5.
The paint department of Home Depot.
I'm almost 10.
That's a lot of paint right there.
I just turned 38. I'm old.
No, that's like to protect your wood.
No.
So let's try down here.
We're trying to find. It's so hard to find stuff at Home Depot. It's so huge. Oh man, look at
Hold
this.
on, Vienna.
Yeah, it's just grabbing them all. Just there, I want all these colors. They're like $4, or just a little under $4 a piece. Oh, some of them are like $5. It looks like. Man, they're expensive.
Some of them are 10.
Some of them are $7.
Some of them are
Adds up really quick.
No. Okay, so Leland, you get to pick 2, and Leanna, you can pick 2 colors.
I should have said
What we end up
So
doing?
what colors do you have, Leland?
We end up doing 3 though.
3. Put 1 back. That's 2.
Alright, just 2.
Okay, fine, get 3.
I get it. Alright, fine, get 3. Alright, fine, get 4. Get 5. Get 6.
So this will be great for mommy's project then.
I choose brown.
No. You remember, you're
You
picking.
guys got like the same colors there. Like, okay, the one Leanna has there in the middle, and the one Leland has there at the end are like the same color almost. Oh, they're just really close.
People spray painted there, I guess. Just testing it out.
Oh, look at that light blue. Red, metal, plastic, and more.
Garages
And they're good for garage doors,
The
apparently.
more is garage.
Alright, so we
Yeah.
Just wait, soon we're gonna spray paint this house.
No!
chance to spray paint. No, you guys, it's for mommy.
So Home Depot is like the candy shop for adults
Well, grown-up.
or grown-ups.
Well, no.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun to go there if you're working on a
Not
project.
just grown-ups, but boys.
Boys. Well, I don't know, girls can do projects too, huh, Leanna?
Yeah, but it's technically for boys. Girls can do what boys can do. Girls are strong, just like boys.
Yeah.
Go, girls and boys. I get it.
Spray paint is not
I gotta wipe it off.
18 and up.
So this was probably about a year ago because it looks summerish. Oh, you remember the dog? Oh, I forgot about the dog.
No.
You see a dog in the background here in a sec.
Dog took up the poop.
Oh. That was just bad timing. I'm just filming a dog and it does its business there in the middle of the parking lot.
Oh, jeez.
It's like, alright, well, I was just filming a random dog and hope no one. I hope no one ended up.
No,
stepping
I
on it.
hope someone steps on it.
That's awful.
But it's still it's not all roasted and hard. You can still
Well, it was a hot day. It probably dried up really quick.
well, pop it in 15 minutes. Step in it.
They didn't step on it.
Step on me.
First poop to step on. Alright, so anyway, here are the... So anyway, these are the colors of the kids.
They look similar. Like those two red cans look very close.
I think that's what Mommy says.
Those what?
See?
Okay.
It might be slightly different.
Guess your turn.
Yeah, they look very close. You guys just both wanted red, huh? Or type of red.
Mine was kind of
Alright,
pink.
so we just got back home.
This old van, old garage
Oh
door.
my god, you don't
Oh, yeah.
We don't even have that.
We don't even have
This
that.
is the dresser that Carol, she's gonna...
Oh, we don't even have that anymore.
Uh-uh.
I remember when I had
As you can
to like
see, it needs a paint job.
pull all
It's
those
in
stuff
the
out.
I like that. I like that dresser. They held up pretty good before you smashed it.
Oh, wow, cool.
Oh, I remember when I got that.
So, Carol,
I put them all over the garage and Mommy got mad.
Oh yeah? Oh yes.
She does that.
Oh yeah, because you got 4 drawers. Yeah.
And there's 4, right?
Okay.
Oh, there's 6. Because we each got 3.
Okay. Cool.
Like the drawers are painted red.
But we really had no intentions of painting that dresser.
We're gonna have lunch first, and then I'll take the drawers out, and we can begin the project.
See, this one.
Yeah. I'm taking a nap on our old couch. You remember our old couch? Oh no. You know, whenever Leland has the camera, that's never a good thing.
There's
guys.
mischief on its way. There's
The
mischief
old
in there.
kitchen. Yeah, that was our old kitchen table we just saw a second ago.
I actually like a red. I actually like the red derby more.
That's Mickey. Our old kitchen.
Oh my gosh, my filming was so bad back then. Don't mind Miss Billman. Oh, it was Leanna.
Here they go. They're up to no good. They're up to no good.
I made sure Leanna was filming.
It looks like it was garbage day because you can see the trash bins are on the side of the street. Oh, our old garage door.
I wanted to.
I like our newer one. Our newer one has windows in it. That one doesn't.
Oh my god, it's
Right.
oh my god, what am I doing? Get the dizzy.
Leanna was trying to go, oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Hey, Shiitake mushrooms. Daddy actually came out and helped me with that because it was kind of hard.
Yeah, so you guys will get a glimpse of me trying to hide behind a bush or something as I'm supervising from a distance. But in the skit, I'm supposed to be taking a nap.
Look what I'm writing. Oh, Leanna's not even filming it.
She's getting the garage door. Like, look how nice and smooth this garage door is. But now look at it. Poop. They won't poop. Which is appropriate because, you know, the dog took a poop earlier in the video. So it all goes along.
Oh, I should have.
Oh, yeah. You made the emoji, huh?
Yeah, that was like the first
Poop
ever
emoji.
drawing I've ever made, and it looks
so bad. I think that's right there.
I'm at level 52 on Fortnite,
Uh,
guys.
but the kids had a lot of fun with this. It was like kind of an art project for them, where they got to just go and just do whatever they want.
kind of freaking out.
How often do kids get to spray paint a garage door?
Not often, I can tell you that. I really asked my parents if I could spray paint something else, and
They're like, no.
yeah. I asked spray paint. Oh, what is she doing?
And aim it very close. And just so you guys know, I actually made my shirt inside out just to see.
Where am I? Oh
Wait,
yeah,
too.
Daddy told me to do that.
Yeah, you don't want to get paint on your clothes. Spray paint. Leanna's making it blue. We're gonna have a blue garage door.
52, almost level 6. Yeah, 53. And I'm on 200. Guys, do you know I bought the battle pass for season 3 and season 2? Not season 2.
Oh, what are you
but
making there,
season
Leanna?
3 and season 4.
Do you
and
remember?
season
I don't remember what you were you just doing random?
around season 2.
Leanna was just doing random stuff. She wanted to try all the different colors.
I was just kind of just
like, yeah.
Oh, look
I
at
did a
that.
one-eye smiley face.
That is so messy.
They're funny, man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, isn't this Daddy was filming?
This was probably when I was filming. Oh, look at all that. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at all that.
I think we turned off the camera kind of just like,
Yeah, we kind of turned off.
I think the editing was kind of out of order here. Cause then all of a sudden it's back to like there's hardly anything on the garage door, so that was my editing mistake. That was a later clip that went to Leanna's face. Hold on, I think you see me behind the bush. Oh yeah, you saw me there for a second.
Can I?
But you see me there hiding behind the bush if you look very closely.
Oh, I saw. Oh, yep, I see you.
Oh yeah, there I am. There I am. I had to supervise, but I couldn't be in the video, so I had to just stand from a distance.
Yeah,
and
because
just,
he had to make sure we were safe.
yeah, I had to make sure you weren't like spraying it in your eyes or anything. I
My
don't know.
mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's pretty
That
straightforward.
would have been more.
You just point the can and pull the trigger there.
Yeah, I don't go like.
It's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's not that difficult.
It is for 2-year-olds.
Yeah, but you guys are not two.
I know.
So London wouldn't be able to do this.
What did Leanna spray painted a lot? Like a lot.
So then I come out eventually, later, I don't know, some point in the video.
Because you have to take
And
out
I'm
the
like,
trash.
oh yeah, that's what I was doing. I was
I
taking
think-
out the trash.
yeah.
And then,
Oh wait, I'm spoiling.
because then you
Look
guys,
at that.
you guys get caught. You guys get caught here in a little bit.
Yeah, I do.
The best part is when the neighbors are driving by, and then they like slow down and they just stare and they're like they were all shocked. They're just like, what are they doing to the garage door?
they're
I know
like,
some of them like stopped and they're like, what's going on? We're like, oh, we're just doing a skit. We're just making a video for our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Like there was one neighbor like later on in the day when we were done filming, because we had to leave the garage door. I mean, it was about another day or two before.
we saw you! I saw you!
Oh, yeah.
You came out to
Oh no, here I am. I'm all trying to act surprised. I'm like, no! What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing by garage door? Ah! I'm like, give me the phone. But when we were done filming, a few hours later, the neighbors, some of them came by and they thought like someone came and tagged our garage door. They had no idea it was these guys. Thought we were just doing a video. Like they got really worried. They were about to call the police, thinking we got tagged really bad.
Oh my god, you guys
That poop, I messed up on that.
It looks pretty good.
Well, I messed up
The
on
third
that
one, yeah. My garage door.
You guys ruined my garage
Oh, the devastation. Oh, the humanity. Oh.
I'm really glad I chose the brown.
ever done.
No, I think the worst thing they've ever done was probably you destroying the kitchen.
Guys, this is not gonna
It gets worse, guys. It gets much, much worse.
This is not gonna come off.
Oh, just wait! After we spray paint this house, we're actually gonna end up spraying our whole property and the house!
No! No more spray painting.
What happened to repaint that?
But when I'm 18, I can spray paint.
Worst thing ever.
Just know
Our garage door was breaking, guys. It was on its way out. We needed a new garage door.
Yeah, alright.
So,
Guys,
that's
hashtag RIP garage door in the comments.
I'm like, you guys are great.
Although I am watching something.
Lena just pops out of nowhere with the camera screen. Oh my gosh, it's even worse. Oh, I can't watch. This is awful. Oh, I can't watch this. I can't. No, don't make me watch. I can't watch this again. This is awful. Ah! Oh, that's me. Oh, that's bad too. Ah!
That was for Mommy's project.
Oh, Leland gave the poop a face.
Oh, wow.
Emoji. Oh, look at that. Look how bad that is. This
Look
is
at that!
Like, this is why the neighbors stopped and were like, what is going on here?
This was like the funnest
This is-
day of my life.
Seriously grounded for like
Like,
Oh
this
my
was
God,
probably.
is that eggs and bacon? Like what?
Well, wasn't this like one of you guys' favorite skits?
Yeah.
This was like one of our
This is my
favorites. Huh?
favorite skit.
That was a lot of fun.
It costs? It's like $1,000.
Look at my
for
ugly
one
hair
store.
back then. I never did
Look
that.
our new garage door cost $1,200. That's because we got a nicer one with windows.
This is embarrassing.
It was embarrassing.
That looks like a piece
In
of
front of the whole
art.
neighborhood, you guys.
That
What
looks
the
like a
neighbors
piece
gonna
of
think?
artwork.
We have like the ugliest garage store
That's a
now.
piece of artwork.
It's
Look at
artwork.
that!
Oh, the paint is all dripping down on the
I
driveway.
know Leanna kept
Ah.
Leanna kept spray painting too much.
I think we might still have paint stains on the driveway.
Yeah,
I have
maybe
from
we
that.
could show you after the video.
You guys are grounded.
Because we do. We have some purple on like, the sides.
I cannot believe this.
Like you're grounded. You don't tell me.
I cannot believe this.
Shit, I'm grounded.
Well, that was a fun video. We really enjoyed this. This one was definitely one of our favorite skits.
Both of you guys.
Looking at some of these.
Lexi, like
Nanny or something.
I
don't know
drew
what
a
to do
lot
now.
of poop. I
Super
realized.
Nanny, do they still make those
Or
episodes?
maybe have you guys make an appearance on Dr. Phil or something. I don't know.
Dr. Phil, can you imagine if we were on Dr. Phil? Yeah, Dr. Phil, help me here. These kids like to spray paint garage doors. That'll probably be my fault. He'll probably turn around on me. Well, you're the parent. You need to.
No,
Say, nah, it's just
this is
skits. Just
awful.
kidding.
You guys completely ruined our garage door.
just wait till I spray paint like up there.
Yeah, good thing they didn't have a
I
ladder.
think Leanna tried spray painting the YouTube play button there.
Oh, is that what that was?
Yeah, I'm
That was
pretty
a
sure
place.
she was trying to spray paint the YouTube play button.
Oh, that would have been fun. We should have made a giant play button.
Yeah.
Oh, look how little London used to be. She doesn't even know.
Face. Mommy's face. is like-
She couldn't even keep a straight face for the skit.
Look at London.
Look at London. She's like,
Yeah.
London's just looking up like, oh, what are we doing? Are we doing a skit? Oh, okay.
so cute.
Oh, just play the newborn baby.
No, the outside.
Look at her.
Look how cute she was.
Where the whole neighborhood, there's people outside laughing at us right now.
I like to overplay. I like to be dramatic.
Yes.
There's people out there pointing and laughing.
While you were in here filming London, the kids, I was taking a nap, and then I was taking out the trash, and I found the kids
Hi, London.
spraying
She's so
bottles,
cute.
spray painting the garage door. By then it was too
She
late.
was
Look at her. She for 1 second she went like.
She must have been like 2 months old at the time.
For 1 second London went like.
I told him it's like $1,000.
Look at her.
It's not cheap.
She's like, who
even,
cares?
you know what London's thinking? London's like, oh man, and I didn't get in on this. I wish I could have helped.
Yeah.
Give me a can of spray paint. I want to spray paint something.
Look at her.
She looks funny.
She's like,
She
really,
looks
Mama?
confused.
Why can you let me outside?
She's probably like, what kind of family was I born into here?
No, I've only been here for like a few months.
Been here a few months and look at this.
I seriously don't know what to do. Really.
There's an old wallpaper there in the bedroom.
Oh, I
can't
can't
say I
look.
missed that.
I can't look.
Can't say I
It's
missed that.
gone.
I'm gonna pretend to be mad. Leanna!
Sounds like you said.
Do you know I actually
Oh,
heard you?
they made it even worse.
Oh, you're definitely a doofus.
Doofus.
Oh, this is when we say this is a skit. Oh, we were
I
always
sprayed.
talking
Oh
about
yeah,
this.
see, this is me spray painting it. I'm like, oh, shiitake mushrooms.
That's already spray painted. That looks horrible.
It took a while.
Oh,
Shiitake mushrooms. It took a while.
It was running
It
out.
was running out. I'm like, I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do it. Oh, shiitake. Hold on here. Let me get this. Shiitake mushrooms. Let me get the M. And the U. And the S.
Look,
This
it
could
even
take a
pops like
while.
this.
We'll get in there. We'll get in there.
Almost ran out of
Oh,
room.
so I'm just
Almost
like,
there.
alright, there you go. Yes. I only had enough room. I was running out of garage door space.
oh, shiitake mushrooms.
That's pretty cool. Alright, so What did you guys think? That's a classic.
Why is my face like
I mean, it
that?
has over 1 million views. It has like almost 1.5 million views. It's probably one of our more popular videos on the channel. What do you guys think? 1 out of 5.
I give it a 5.
I give it a 5.
Give it a 5. I give it a 5 too. That was a lot
I
of
give
fun.
it a 5.
What do you guys think? Leland, sit down.
Hi, my name is Jeff and
You're
I
gonna
like
fall and
turtles.
you're not gonna be able to.
I like turtles.
You must
Alright, well,
fall.
thanks for watching, guys. Seriously, this is why you guys need to sit down.
That's kind of funny.
Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our Crazy Kids
Let me
React
show you
channel.
the leftovers from the spray paint. Give me that.
No, we're done. We're done. Say bye. We're done.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
That's so fun.
You guys are crazy.